Shining bright, got no worries on my mind today, just the rhythm leading me away. The city's moving way too fast, I'm learning how to make moments last. Every breath feels so alive, with the ocean breeze by my side. And when the clouds begin to fall, I hear a melody through it all. A little hope is all I need to set my spirit free. Love and freedom everywhere. Sunshine on my way. Every moment feels okay. Keep the music in my soul. That's the only road I know. People searching high and low for the things they think they need to hold, but I found treasure in a simple song, a place where every heart belongs. Take my hand and come along, we'll turn the struggle into strength and song. No matter where the winds may blow, we'll keep moving with the flow. When the night begins to call, the stars remind me after all, every ending brings a dawn, and life keeps rolling on. Freedom everywhere. Sunshine on my way. Every moment feels okay. Keep the music in my soul. That's the only road I know. Yeah. Hey. One love, one heart, one dream tonight. Holding on to what feels right. No chains can keep us down for long. Feel the good vibes all around. Let the positives be found. Sunshine on my way. Through the night and through the day. Keep the music in my soul.